Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, then welcome. I love to share plant-based recipes with you that are healthy and nutritious and don't use any oil. And today I'm going to share one of my favorite breakfast recipes with you. And if you're a regular subscriber, then welcome back. It's great to have you here. So one of my breakfasts that I love to have on repeat, and as you know, if you have followed me for a while, I love my savory breakfasts and I love to incorporate beans or legumes in my breakfast. So this is one of my favorite dishes that I love to have. It's on repeat. I have this quite often and I want to share this with you today. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So what I'm making today is my breakfast lentil bruschetta. I'm sorry to all the Italians out there, I do not speak Italian, but I presume that is how it is pronounced. So what I'm going to do now is I've got some lentils. So these were just some tinned brown lentils and I've drained those off and I've got about 1/3 of a cup's worth there and I'm just going to put them into a bowl. And I'm adding in some delicious sweet cherry tomatoes or tomatoes, depending on where you are in the world. And that is going to add some beautiful sweetness to this dish, nice and fresh. Then I've also got a red onion that I'm going to add to this as well. I've chopped it up finely, but you could leave it in coarse chunks if you prefer. Oh, that is smelling so good already. Just using fresh ingredients just makes all the difference in meals. Then I've also got some avocado, just putting that in as well. And I'll leave a link below to this recipe so you can get the actual amounts if you want actual amounts when you're making this. And I'm also putting in 1 tablespoon, not 1 tablespoon, 1 clove of garlic that's been chopped up as well. And some chopped up basil or basil. Oh, that smells delicious. And then last of all, I've got some balsamic vinegar. So this is going to be the dressing for this mixture. I'll add that in as well. And then just give that a good stir through. Oh, it looks and smells so good. I can't wait to have this. And then you can either put this on top of your bread or you can serve it alongside if you prefer to have it separate and not on top of your toast or bread that you're using. And what I've got for my bread is some sprouted spelt bread. So I've lightly toasted this and I'm going to top it with this delicious mixture and then enjoy this for my breakfast. And to be honest, this is perfect for any time of day. If you want to have this for lunch, as a snack, as your dinner, it really goes down well at any time of the day. So if you make this, please tag me over in my Facebook group and share a photo. I would love to see your creation and your photo of this. I'll leave a link to that Facebook group below. I'd love to see you there and I would love to see you for my next recipe also. See you then. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Smells delicious. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. It never disappoints.